Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. It's the first Red Wiggler Wednesday of 2020. It's January the 1st. It's been 1 year and 22 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers in the Worm Factory 360. And last week we did start a brand new tray up top with coffee grounds and filters and some shredded cardboard and paper. Not really expecting any worms up here yet. Nope. We do have a sprout that I'm assuming is coming through the tray below. Sure was. It snapped right off when I pulled that one off. Alright, let's see what we got in this tray here. Ooh, yeah. Eating up that pumpkin. A bunch of worms. Some mites. Some mold. But lots of red wigglers. Several seed sprouting. Alright, so that tray's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and cover that up a little bit. And the next tray had pumpkin in as well. There we go. And they've about gotten all that pumpkin eaten up. Pretty much the shell, skin left. Some mites on there, a few worms. So, looking good. Bottom tray, we're just letting them work through. And it's been about 6 weeks since we got started with the Vermibag Minimalist. We added some pumpkin, 2 weeks ago, and we have a lot of sprouts. See where it's kind of indented there from where they've eaten on the pumpkin. Moisture on the cardboard feels good. We do have a lot of cardboard. Let's see what we got down here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna flip that upside down, let them start eating on them sprouts. There's a nice worm ball. Just tearing it up. Well, I think they still got plenty of food. I think the Worm Factory 360 still has plenty of food. So plenty of food left for next week. Just a short little update. Had to get something out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. If you're looking for a Vermibag product, click the link below in the description. Until next time, have a great day.